So here's what we're going to do next. How do I tell if something is a function? You're going to have different pictures of things. And it's just going to want to know, is this a function? And the most important part is it's going to say, explain why. So the three ways we're going to see things is just listed out in a table or just points listed. And this is, I think, pretty easy. Does an x value repeat? If it does, then it's not a function. If it does not, then it is a function. All right, so if it's yes, then it's not a function. All right, sorry, I highlighted that wrong. If it's yes, sorry, let me do this again. If it's yes, then it's a relation, not a function. All right, if they don't repeat, then it's a function. All right, on a graph, vertical line test. All right, so on a graph, we're gonna use the vertical line test. Very, very, very basic idea with what's going on here is if I have a picture of something and it goes like this, I can draw vertical lines, as many as I want. As long as the vertical line only hits one point, we're okay. All right, so this is a function. But the second that I can draw any vertical line, it only needs one, all right, any vertical line that hits in two places, that one hits in 1, 2, 3 places, it's not a function. And it only needs one, all right? Mapping diagrams, these are kind of weird looking. Usually they're drawn like this. And they've got some numbers in here, like 1 and 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And then they'll draw an arrow like this. And what this means is you're going to end up with the 0.13, you end up with a 0.24, end up with a 0.25. The x's repeat. So what this says in a mapping diagram, if any input has multiple outputs, multiple arrows, then it's not a function. So this one right here is not a function. So that's what we're looking for. As we go through, you'll see lots of examples of this. This is probably, in my opinion, out of just the basic function stuff, the most important thing to be able to do, because this is the question that gets asked most often. Is this thing a function? You give it to say yes or no, and how come?